Hey everyone, how are you? I'm Heather, I'm the Bent Yogi, and today's practice is all about reawakening, revitalizing our energy, our prana, our life force, our chi. Sometimes you just feel a little bit sluggish. Instead of reaching for that second or third or fourth cup of coffee, get on your mat, practice, get your body, get your energy moving, awaken from the inside out. That's exactly what we are going to do today. So let's get started in downward facing dog. And once you get set up, just take a couple of breaths. Take a couple of breaths, but take one breath at a time. And if you want to begin in child's pose, you can begin in child's pose. You can always add in child's pose anytime you're practicing with me if that feels good for you. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. And yes, we are going to move and flow and breathe and reawaken our energy, but it should be fun. You should be able to breathe and enjoy yourself. That's part of reawakening our energy, is reawakening our joy. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. At least for me, that's part of reawakening energy, is reawakening joy and a sense of playfulness. Take another big inhale here. And as you exhale lightly, step or jump to the front of your mat. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, come on up to stand. Hands reach high, heart lifts. You can look up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale, hands to your mat. High push up to low push up, exhale. Upward dog, take a big breath in. You can work with a cobra or a low cobra and take an extra breath in here. Really big inhale, lead with your heart. Exhale, back to your downward dog or your child's pose. Set your hands and set your feet. Set your foundation, but still feel the fluidity of your breath and really the fluidity of this whole practice as we re-energize. Take another big inhale, exhale, step or jump to the front. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to stand, reach up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale, hands to your mat, high push up to low push up, exhale. Inhale, upward facing dog, exhale, downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Take another big inhale here. Exhale, step or jump forward. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale all the way up to stand, reach high and lift, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale, high push up to low push up, exhale. Upward dog, a big breath in, downward dog, breath out. Just moving through a couple of sun salutations, one at a time, one breath at a time, and noticing right here, right now, even if you feel a little more awake, a little more alive. Take another deep breath in, exhale, walk or jump to the front. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale all the way up to stand, reach up, lift up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale, high push up to low push up, exhale. Upward dog, a big breath in, downward dog, breath out. Right foot steps forward, crescent lunge, step up, rise up. Set your right foot, engage your core, warrior three, lift off, push off with your back foot, tip forward to your own degree. Hands can be forward together or apart. Hands can come to your heart or to your hips. Lengthen through both legs. Lengthen from the tips of your fingers right out through that lifted foot. Take a big breath in. Left foot down beside the right. Reach up. Fold forward. Exhale. Halfway lift. Inhale. High push up to low push up. Exhale. You can step or jump back. Upward dog. Breathe in. Downward dog. Breathe out. Now left foot. Crescent lunge. Come on up. Just a pause here. Connect. Integrate into your core. Feel your energy. Take a big breath in. Lift off, warrior three. Start to tip forward. Notice if you hang on with your toes, or if you hang on in your head to what it should be like. Let your breath flow, let your energy flow. And maybe that means you flow in and out of the pose. Take a deep breath in here, right foot down beside the left. Reach up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale, chaturanga, low push-up, exhale. Upward dog, take a breath in, downward dog, breath out. Take a big inhale and a big exhale. Take another deep breath in here, exhale, step or jump forward. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Utkatasana, chair pose, sit down, reach up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale, high push-up to low push-up, exhale. Upward dog, take a breath in, downward dog, breath out. Right foot steps, warrior one. Back foot flat, come on up, exhale. Hands come down to your mat. High push-up to low push-up. Inhale, upward dog, exhale. Downward dog, left foot steps, warrior one. Rise up, reach high. Exhale, hands come back down. High push-up to low push-up. Inhale, upward dog, exhale, downward facing dog, or your child's pose. And then just a breath or two here. Again, one breath at a time. Feel your breath move. Feel your heartbeat. Feel yourself connecting, awakening your energy, your prana, your life force. Take another deep breath in. Exhale, step or jump to the front. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Utkatasana, sit down, reach up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale, high push up to low push up, exhale. Upward dog, take a breath in, downward dog, breath out. Right foot steps, warrior one, come on up. Now, warrior two. Open out, lengthen your stance, spin your palms to the sky. Take your right hand high, reverse your warrior, reach up and go back. Big inhale, exhale, hands come down to your mat. High push up to low. Inhale, upward dog, exhale, downward dog. Left foot steps, light step, but root down, rise up. Now open, warrior two. Left hand high, reverse your warrior, stay strong through your back leg. Big breath in, exhale, hands come down to your mat. High push up to low push up. Inhale, upward dog, exhale, downward facing dog. Allowing the movement of your breath, the movement of energy, the flow. Notice if you restrict your breath. Notice if you hang on to anything. Allow yourself to open up here and, feel a little lighter, a little more enlivened. Take a breath in, exhale, step or jump forward, halfway lift. Inhale, exhale, fold. Utkatasana, chair pose, sit down, reach up, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale, high push up to low push up, exhale. Upward dog, breath in, downward dog, breath out. Right foot steps forward, warrior one. Rise up, open to your warrior two. Take your right hand high, reverse your warrior. Now half moon, Artichondrasana. Push off with your back foot. Let your right hand reach for the ground. Left foot reaches back behind you. Left hand can reach up for the sky. Long through both legs. Lengthening out, opening out from your center, fingertips to fingertips. Take a deep breath in. Now, left foot down beside the right, front of your mat. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Utkatasana, chair pose, sit down, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale, high push up to low push up, exhale. Upward dog, take a breath in, downward dog, breath out. Left foot steps, warrior one, come on up. Open to your warrior two. Left hand high, reverse your warrior. Half moon, push off, lift off. Reach for the ground, but softly, softly reach for the ground. Feel the strength of your breath, the strength of your intention, the flow, the movement of your breath and energy within you, even as you hold this pose. Take a big breath in. Right foot down beside your left, front of your mat. Halfway lift, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale all the way up to stand. Reach high and lift, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale, High push-up to low push-up. Exhale. Upward dog. Take a breath in. Downward dog. Breath out. Here, take a big inhale. Open your mouth, empty out. Bring your feet together, a little bit forward. Take your right leg up to the sky. Bend your right knee for your down dog hip opener. So if you want to flip your dog, you can let that foot pull you over. Maybe you wind up in a full wheel, a back bend. Maybe you work with your left knee down so you're coming to this more from a tabletop. Take a big inhale and then come all the way back around. Right leg goes up. Now step your right foot to your right thumb, left knee down to your mat. Kneeling lunge, untuck your left toes. Walk your hands up to your front thigh. And then if you feel steady, take your hands up overhead. You can pad your left knee, ground through your right foot, and then maybe there's a little bit of room to let the right knee move forward, your hips move forward and down, and your heart lifts up. So you get a little bit of a hip opener, a little bit of a heart opener, feeling your breath, feeling the movement, the flow, allowing your breath, your energy to flow freely. So that, you feel a little more awake, a little more alive in this moment. Take a big breath in. Exhale, hands come down to your mat. Step back, high to low push-up. Upward dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Feet together a little bit forward. Take your left leg to the sky. Bend your left knee. Down dog, hip opener. And again, here, you have the option to flip your dog. Come on into a full wheel or work with your right knee down, more of a tabletop. You can drop your head as you come around. Breathe in, breathe up, lift up out of your shoulders. And then come all the way back around. Take that left leg back up, left foot to your left thumb, really lightly, right knee. Lightly down to your mat and tuck your right toes, kneeling lunge. Walk your hands up. Any kind of discomfort with this back knee, just put an extra layer under it. You can stay here, you go with your hands behind your back, or again, you can take your hands up. Feel this quality of grounding down in this moment, but absolutely not stuck or stagnant, not holding on, allowing your life force to flow freely, allowing yourself to be supported by the earth, by the universe, right? So that your life force is connected to something bigger than you. Re-energizing yourself, but also equally allowing yourself to be re-energized. Take a big breath in. Exhale, hands come down to your mat. High push-up to low push-up. Upward dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. And bring your knees down to your mat. Sit back over your heels. Lie down on your back. Come on into your Supta Konasana. Feet together, knees wide. You can bring one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly. Take a deep breath. Feel your breath, feel your heartbeat. And you can settle in here for Shavasana, or you can extend your legs or take your legs up, whatever feels comfortable for you. Feeling just a few moments here to allow your energy, allow yourself to absorb this energy, your energy, to integrate it into your being. Take a big breath in. And a long breath out. wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring some gentle movement back to your body. Draw your knees to your chest. Slowly make your way to seated. You can roll to one side and then come on up. Take your time. Come to seated. Hands on your legs, hands to your heart. You can set your gaze or close your eyes. And just take a moment. Feel this. Feel your body, your energy, your life force. And feel how truly it connects all of us. So when you awaken your energy, you're not just supporting yourself, you're supporting everyone that you come in contact with today. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Drawing your thumbs to your forehead, to your third eye center. Together we say, Namaste. Thanks everyone. Thanks for joining me today. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you more of these classes. And let me know what you would like to see more of. Let me know what I can share with you. Hit the bell so that you get notified when new videos come out. And again, thank you. I'm Heather. I'm the Bent Yogi. Thank you for joining me for this practice today. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. And I'll see you on your mat.